This is the Loss Prevention News Network on location. I'm Amber Bradley here with Jordan Rivchun from Hanwha Techwin. So tell us, what is going on with Hanwha Techwin? I really think we're stepping into the hot seat right off the bat here with our audience wanting to just get some clarification. I think everyone might know, but you guys are a South Korean company, correct?
Indeed, we are a South Korean company, manufacturing facilities in South Korea and Vietnam. We do not have Chinese manufacturing facilities. Our management had the foresight to see what was going on with the potential trade war that was happening and moved those facilities about 3 years ago.
So nobody has to worry about the dreaded T word and the tariffs.
No, not at this point. We do not. We are GSA compliant as well, safe with the NDAA ban as well. So that's assurance for the retailers here.
So before we venture too close into politics, let's divert to what's going on, what's new at Hanwha.
We've got a lot of great things going on. So as you'll see at the show today at NRF Protect, some release of some new product, Q Mini line, specifically made for retailers, a 3.9-inch mini dome camera, aesthetically pleasing, not obtrusive in the sense that a merchant is going to ask you to move that camera. Great quality, great performance, and great features. We're also featuring some multi-sensor cameras. PTZs as well, as you'll look around the booth later, to be able to see that, from the camera perspective, you can cover more ground with a single data run, single license on your VMS, saving retailers cost and covering more grounds.
And I think you know a little bit about that because you haven't always been on the solution provider side. You come from an actual LP practitioner's role. So how does that help you in kind of understanding as you're helping strategically map out the product suite here?
So really what, you are right, I did come from the retail side, but really what it comes down to is I see myself as a translator between my management, our R&D development folks, and the retailers to help them understand this is exactly what a retailer is looking for, tailor those solutions, the sales process, the features in those products to meet the needs and the changing needs of what retailers are looking for.
That's awesome. Thank you so much. It's always fun to stop by Hanwha Techwin and see what's going on. This has been the Loss Prevention News Network on location. Thanks for joining us.